disease will disappear, because cancer and autoimmune disease, they are not the disease, they are protest of your own cell against the atrocities we are committing on our cell by overuse of the chemicals. Do you agree with this observation, Mr. Harish?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you organize a kind of a workshop involving experts, and then really modifying their way and their reaction to change it? And we are having 140 crore people. We can train them. They will become the train driver. They will be operator of the JCBs, this, that. We have to dig the whole earth. That will become a water harvesting system. That will become a aquaculture system where the fishes will be there. There will be lotus will be grown. Singhada will be grown, and everything of that kind would be there. And all these things are very rich in protein as well as they are rich in fiber also. When they are mixed in the right proportion, the multi-grain atta, which is made from not only from staple but having this kind of aquaculture material, it will help the nice digestion. Your system will be getting all kind of the minerals which are required by your body. There will be no chemical bombarding on you, so your cell will become the disease free, and it will be cancer free. It will be autoimmune disease free. How do you react to it, Mr. Harish? How do you react to it?
Can you come again, sir?
I am saying I have given you the background, the reflection on our present ecosystem and a journey thereof. How do you react to that? How can you really make the list of the expert on the subject and start conducting symposium, and the recording can be then we can upload on Crime Free Bharat Mission. We can invite the questions which can be answered by the expert as well as by Maithili Sharan Gupta also. And thereafter we can appeal to Honorable Prime Minister to adopt it. And there should be lurking fear in the mind of everybody. If they will not do it, we will take over and we will do it for ourselves. Unless this fear has been created, nobody is going to listen to you. Do you feel Mr. Modi will listen to you? Without you are creating a fear in their mind that please do it. If you do it, you will get not only 303, but you will get full 543 seats. And failing which, you will lose everything. And the changes will be then brought not by Honorable Narendra Modi ji, but by the Maithili Sharan Gupta and a team of the 543 people. And these people will be the people who will be adding the maximum number of the people. You don't feel that BJP or all people of all those who are having some political ambition, they should also join Crime Free Bharat Mission. They may continue with their own philosophy, own whatever political leaning they are having. Without any change, they can become the part of the Crime Free Bharat and try to earn by joining as many as people. They can earn the marks. If the work is done by the Honorable Prime Minister, then it is fine. And if it is not done, then we will take out the list of the 543 people, those who have added the maximum number of the people. They will be getting that ticket of the MP at their doorstep. They need not to really advertise for themselves, because we will climb on our rooftop and we will say, this is my Chandgupta, he is my proposed member of parliament, and we will vote for him. We will go to the polling booth and will do the necessary thing. I request my Honorable Prime Minister about this to do. And another issue I would like to say, that there is a lot of negative impression is being created by news which is coming every day about the manipulation of the electronic voting machine. I am having a very small, humble submission which will not require any cost. I am saying let the paper slip, it should fall in a tray. The person who has voted, he should take that slip and put it in a box. So it will become the mix of both. And whenever you want to verify, it is verifiable. How do you react, Mr. Harish, about this? The present controversy could be settled by simple step that the paper bat or paper slip that should have fall in a tray. The voter should pick up that slip and put it into a sealed box, and that paper slip could be counted whenever there is any doubt or any challenge. How do you react to this suggestion? Mr. Hari?
I'm not clear, sir. What exactly it is when you put a slip in a tray?
What I am saying that present machine, voting machine, it is printing a slip, right? Slip is being written there, right? I am saying that slip should fall out of that machine, which has to be picked up by the voter and will be then dropped in a sealed box. Could you get it? At present, what is happening? There is one electronic voting pad in which you are pressing a button for the candidate you want to be elected, right? There is a second attachment which is printing paper slip, right? At present, that paper slips are being retained in the same machine which is printing those slips. What I am saying that the printed slip should fall down below in a tray, and it has to be manually picked up by the voter, and he should put it into the box. By simple this thing, we are not changing anything. At the same time, no manipulation is possible. Do you agree with me? Could you understand the process which I have explained?
Sir, what difference does it make? The slip is in the EVM machine.
It will make a difference.